Hello, my name is Alexandra Calin. I'm a disaster risk management specialist for the World Bank. I'm here joined by Dr. Raed Arafat, State Secretary and Head of the Romanian Department of Emergency Situations. As you know, Romania has started to engage again with the World Bank in the area of disaster risk management with the support of GFDRR in 2018. Can you tell us a bit about the impact of these funds and how it supported the Department of Emergency Situations?
The impact was huge. I will go on two lines. One of them is for what we are preparing for the earthquake risk and reducing the risk of a major earthquake on our rescuers mainly, but also regarding the children and other emergency response staff. So we have now a project which is being implemented to retrofit 35 fire stations in Romania, or to rebuild them if they cannot be retrofitted. The first 4 are finished already. We have extended the project towards 7 stations for the police and 13 stations of the gendarmerie which need to be retrofitted or rebuilt, and also to 22 schools, where the schools will be either retrofitted or rebuilt to have the children in a safer environment and in a safer place in case of a major earthquake. The other part is how we prepared ourselves in case of a major disaster from the financial point of view, and this is the CAD-DDO. So we had the first CAD-DDO in 2018-2019 of $500 million, which allowed us to access it immediately when the pandemic started, and this helped Romania to react much faster having the financial instrument. And now we are working on the second CAD-DDO of $300 million USD.
What other priorities can the GFDRR support going forward?
One of these is the inclusion and having within the emergency response system, first, the civil society, the NGOs with whom we started having agreements and including them in our exercising, training, and so on. But also to include, train our staff, train our responders on how to respond to persons with disabilities.
Thank you very much, and we look forward to work together.
Thank you very much.